Have you ever pondered why kidneys are considered one of the most vital organs in our body? These bean-shaped powerhouses are responsible for filtering our blood, extracting waste products, and maintaining a steady electrolyte balance. They're also our body's natural hormone factories, producing key hormones that regulate blood pressure and stimulate the production of red blood cells. So, you see, the kidneys, while small in size, play a massive role in ensuring our body functions smoothly. To understand the workings of the kidneys, let's delve into their anatomy. Picture a bean-shaped organ, about 12 centimeters long and weighing roughly 150 grams. That's your kidney. It's neatly tucked away on each side of your spine, in a place called the retroperitoneal space. Now, imagine cutting that bean in half. What you'd see inside are distinct regions: the renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis, and nephrons. The renal cortex, the outer layer, houses the glomeruli and convoluted tubules. It's where the filtration of blood starts. Dive deeper and you'll find the renal medulla. It's home to the renal pyramids, which are packed with renal tubules. The renal pelvis, a central collecting region, gathers urine from the nephrons for transportation to the ureters. Finally, the nephrons, the kidney's functional units, filter the blood and produce urine. Now that we've explored the kidney's anatomy, we can better understand how it carries out its complex duties. The kidneys are responsible for producing urine, but how does that happen? Well, it all starts with a process known as filtration. Within the kidney, there's a network of tiny blood vessels called the glomerulus. As blood passes through these vessels, small molecules and ions like sodium, potassium, and glucose are filtered out, leaving behind larger molecules and cells in the blood. This filtered fluid, now called filtrate, then moves into a structure called the proximal convoluted tubule. Here, most of the water, glucose, and certain ions are reabsorbed back into the blood. The filtrate, now more concentrated, continues its journey into the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is where the magic really happens. It's a long U-shaped tube that extends from the cortex of the kidney into the medulla. As the filtrate travels through this loop, more water and salts are reabsorbed, making the urine even more concentrated. Next, the filtrate enters the distal convoluted tubule. Here, the composition of the urine is fine-tuned, with additional ions and molecules either being reabsorbed or secreted based on the body's needs. The final product, now called urine, contains waste products and excess ions that the body needs to get rid of. Finally, the urine is collected in the renal pelvis before being transported to the bladder via the ureters, waiting to be expelled from the body. And voila! From blood to urine, that's the magic our kidneys perform to keep us healthy. Did you know that your kidneys play a crucial role in keeping your blood pressure stable? Now let's delve into the remarkable process. The kidneys employ a system called the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system to maintain blood pressure. When blood pressure drops, juxtaglomerular cells within the kidneys release a hormone called renin. This sparks a chain reaction that results in the production of angiotensin II, a potent substance that elevates blood pressure by constricting blood vessels. Additionally, angiotensin II triggers the release of aldosterone from the adrenal glands, which further boosts blood pressure by increasing the reabsorption of water and sodium in the kidneys. But that's not all. The kidneys also maintain the body's electrolyte balance, regulating key substances like sodium, potassium, and calcium. They do this through careful processes of reabsorption and secretion in the renal tubules, keeping these electrolyte concentrations within a narrow range. So, not only do your kidneys cleanse your body, they also keep your blood pressure and electrolytes in check. Today, we've journeyed through the remarkable world of our kidneys. These bean-shaped organs, tucked away in our bodies, perform a multitude of vital functions. We've explored their intricate anatomy from the outer renal cortex to the inner medulla, and the functional units called nephrons. We've delved into the fascinating process of urine formation, a multi-stage procedure that involves filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. to ensure our bodies remain free of waste products. Moreover, we've learned about the crucial role our kidneys play in maintaining our blood pressure and balancing our electrolytes. Through the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, our kidneys respond to changes in blood pressure, and they also regulate the balance of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium. The complexity of these functions is a testament to the importance of our kidneys in maintaining overall health and homeostasis. Next time you think about your health, remember the silent heroes working tirelessly in your body.